Back pain, not just a pain in the neck. Did you just hurt your back and now you don't know what you're going to do? Back pain can be a bear to treat, and many people don't understand how much it truly hurts until they experience it themselves. Read on for ways that you can help make your back better. If you suffer from frequent bouts of mild lower back pain, try yoga to help ease your symptoms. Back pain is made worse when the body is not aligned properly, and yoga helps by creating a balance in the body through various poses and exercises. Yoga also helps to develop flexibility and strength. Make sure that you have a proper computer chair. If you spend large amounts of time using a computer sitting on an incorrect chair, such as a dining room chair, beanbag, couch or hard bench, you risk causing permanent damage to your spine. Therefore, it is important that you purchase a specially designed computer chair as soon as possible. Make sure you keep the amount of twisting to a minimum, especially if you're carrying something heavy. If you're twisting or turning excessively, you could end up pulling a muscle or damaging your spine. When at all possible, keep the amount of twisting you do to a minimum if you can't eliminate it completely. If you are suffering from back pain, try to do what you can to reduce your tension. Feeling stressed or anxious will only cause your muscles to tense up more, worsening any muscle spasms you are already having. You may find you feel a lot less tense if you make sure you are getting enough rest, avoid caffeine, listen to soothing music, and pray or meditate. Get up every half an hour. If you work in an office environment and have to do a lot of sitting with back pain, make sure you get up every half hour or so to stretch and walk around. You don't have to spend much time doing that, but getting up will give your back a little relief. A great way you can work to alleviate back pain is to nip it in the bud by learning your body's early warning signals. If you pay attention to your body, you know when you're being pushed too hard and need to rest. Especially for people who have suffered back pain before, you can feel when it's coming on. Now that you completely understand what kinds of things you can do to relieve your pain, you can start the process of healing your back. Start pampering your back now and continue to do so in the future to prevent the unbearable pain that back injuries are often responsible for.